Hello, and my name is Frank, and welcome to another quick brief. I'd like to say hi. How's it going, everybody? And today is Sunday, August the 21st. What I'll be going over this week are a few things when it comes to online coupons or coupons, like who's downloading them, who's using them. Also, some information about internet spending, which is actually increasing in the double digits. Also, on how small business owners feel about Facebook, at least using Facebook, which a lot of them feel that they don't need to use it, which is sort of amazing. And then also, when it comes to how businesses feel the economy is going and their access to funding. So what I like to do to start off is on online coupons are boasting a very high redemption rate. Now, when it comes to online coupons, a lot of people from different income ranges are using coupons in different ways, or at least from different places. Now, as you can see, the highest percentage is on instant packs, so that's stuff that's right on the package that people can redeem right away. And the second highest percentage of online coupon redemption is going to be from home printed coupons, which come from different websites. And you'll notice, or I'll show you a slide that shows you exactly where these people are getting coupons. So if you're a small business, or if you're a business and you use coupons, this would be really, really helpful in knowing exactly how people are using coupons and whether or not you're thinking about either having downloadable or printable coupons online or on mobile, which is a really great thing. And as you notice on this slide, compared to direct mail, which is only 3%, online, our home printed and instant on pack redemption rates are higher than any kind of direct mail. So print, at least like freestanding inserts, which are the coupons that you find in the Sunday paper and magazines, have a really, really low redemption rate compared to those that are printed at home and those that are instant on a pack. So as you can see on this slide, you have a few things going on. You have the behavior of U.S. consumers by income that are using coupons, and also when it comes to U.S. coupon redeemers who are previously non-buyers. So you have a high percentage, of 46%, of digital printed home coupons who haven't been buyers before, who are going online and who are seeking coupons like at different coupon sites like Groupon and a few other places like Woot also. And what you can see on this slide on the very bottom here is that you have people who have a higher income level, like 100K plus per year, are actually going to coupon dedicated websites. You also have downloaded coupons. Now you have, of course, people with lower incomes of less than 35K a year up to like 35 to 54K a year that are using a highest percentage of those income levels are using coupons and going to coupon sites, either retail websites or manufacturer websites. And if they're also going to like Smart Source or couponing sites to download them directly. So you have a high percentage of people who are not only printing out coupons, but are seeking coupons and using coupons. And this has increased over the past year because of the economy. People, especially of higher income levels, are seeking out deals, daily deals. They're seeking out deals that are pretty much, let's see, one thing here is that, that's one thing. As far as people of higher income levels are more likely to adapt to technology or new technology when it comes to using coupons. So you have a lot of people of higher income levels who are on mobile, such as myself, I have either on livingsocial.com or I'm on Groupon as well. So, and Facebook too. So I have at least 3 different sources that let me know either by email or by SMS text that I have coupons that are available for deals that are going around in my area. So if you're a small business and you're thinking of using coupons, you really need to figure out exactly who your demographic is, which is part of it right here. You have income levels and you have places where they're going to get coupons. And just like I said in the last slide, or the last time last week, when it comes to consumers, they're really, really going mobile and they're really, really going online. It's more so than ever before. And you also have a higher redemption rate. Let's see, also you have, this is a big deal right here, when it comes to small business owners who are going and thinking about, or not even thinking about going on Facebook, you have a really high percent, 43% of those small business owners saying they have no intention of even going on Facebook. And for me, this is a couple reasons. One, they're not really understanding that technology, or two, they just think that people that are on Facebook are just kids going on and messing around, which is totally way off, because you have a lot of large businesses like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and even movie theaters, not theaters, but movie developers or movie film companies that are going on, and they're showing off what the newest like summer movies happening on Facebook. So these small business owners, I believe, aren't getting the usefulness of even being on LinkedIn or even on Facebook. These are huge. They're like the two largest social media sites on the internet right now, on the web. So why wouldn't you, as a small business owner, figure out or know exactly why and what you should be doing to get on to a social media site? Because if you aren't, you're going to be way behind the curve. So you have a really large attitude of small business owners saying it's not even necessary. I don't even understand why I should even be on Facebook. Now, a lot of things that are going on with e-commerce, as you can see in the second quarter of 2011, you saw double-digit growth trends on online shopping. Now, 1 in every $10 of discretionary spending is going on buying on the internet. So you have a lot of people, and one of the largest groups, if you remember way back, if I didn't mention it, are women. Women are shopping online more so than men. So you have a lot of shopping going online, even though the total amount of spending is down this year a little bit. You still have a lot of people who are going online and they're using coupons. So you have to really understand exactly who's going online, and they're looking for deals, daily deals, and they're spending online. 1/10 or $1 for every $10 of spending is online shopping. And also the top performing online product categories are consumer electronics, computer hardware, computer software, and event tickets. So essentially entertainment and computers and computer peripherals. So they're looking for technology, and they're looking for entertainment online. And as you remember on the last quick brief, you had a whole bunch of applications that people were downloading that are really popular right now, and a lot of them were entertainment. So you have like Netflix maybe, or you have like Flickster, or you have a whole bunch of other apps that are on there for entertainment. So also you have the top 25 online retailers accounted for 66.4% of dollars spent online, which is down a little bit, as I mentioned, in the third quarter of 2010. And also you have 14% growth in the quarter was the primary function of an increase in numbers of buyers. So you have buyers, the amount of buyers are increasing when it comes to shopping online, and also you have the amount of spending that is, or at least the people looking for deals and spending online. So you have and it's growing. So you have to really look out for that. And one of the other things that I just mentioned of business owners about their optimism declining for the year, a lot of them feel that the economy is not growing because of this deficit problem. As you recall, maybe from last week, even this whole week, it's been volatile on the stock market, losing like really are near down 10,000 in the Dow, or close to it. And it's been dropping ever since because Congress doesn't have their stuff together. They're messing around, arguing all the time, and they're not really tackling the problem. I don't believe they are. So you have a lot of business owners who are feeling it. They also feel that they don't have the access that they had to capital before. So you have a lot of businesses who are really feel the pinch when it comes to access to funding, even though more than a third say that they aren't confident about the future of their business from a financial perspective. Banks are holding on to that capital. They're holding on to their reserves because they need cash left in their banks in order to deal with any kind of loss. Now, as you also may have heard, Bank of America is laying off a whole lot of employees within the next month or so. And that's because, one, they took a hit in the housing market, two, they have a lot of foreclosures that they're dealing with, and three, they're just not lending out any money. There's a lot of banks that aren't lending out money, and that's because, one, of the things that are going on in are on the economy, are in the economy right now. So, which isn't total bad news. In the next slide, I'll show you that businesses are still intending on hiring, and they're also intending on raising compensation for employees. And also, a large 88% of anticipated recession or flat economy in the next year, and 45 expect no growth for the rest of the year, which is about right. It should take a few more years. If things keep sliding the way they are, especially in the markets right now, and when it comes to this deficit not being able to pay off our debt and banks not lending out money, there isn't going to be much growth. I mean, we're even below a percentage point right now. So you have, again, you have nearly a third say that the deficit has a lot to do with this. 22% of owners said that access to capital is their biggest problem. They're not getting the money to grow. So either they're going to be staying the same or they're not going to be growing at all. And also you have at least a lot of them that are ready to hire again. And 28% said they expect to hire in the next year, which is up from December. And they are planning on increasing employee compensation. So you still have businesses that are keeping employees. You have businesses that are at least giving them more pay or more compensation, and they plan on hiring. So there's some good news at least. People are downloading coupons a lot. They're saving money or wanting to save money. And if you're a business and you have or thinking about coupons, look into these different coupon sites. And then also make sure that you understand that there are things that are going to be hindering your business for at least the rest of the year into next year, 2012. So I thank you for watching. Have a good day and hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye.